Dips are a great exercise for transforming your body and improving fitness. In this video, we'll explore the health benefits of doing 10 dips daily and how they can help you achieve your body transformation goals. Let's begin. Dips focus on upper body muscles like the chest, triceps, and shoulders, leading to increased strength. Regularly doing dips can greatly improve your upper body strength, making everyday tasks easier. Number 2, muscle development and toning. Regularly performing dip exercises might help you build and tone your muscles. Muscle development and definition of the chest, triceps, and shoulders are all fostered by performing dips. Number 3, weight loss and body composition. If you want to lose weight and change your body composition, try adding 10 dips to your regular routine. Since dips train numerous muscle groups at once, you'll burn more calories doing them and afterward than with any other exercise. Number 4, increased metabolic rate. If you want to speed up your metabolism, try doing 10 dips per day. Since dips work so many upper body muscles, they increase your metabolic rate during and after the workout. Number 5, enhanced core strength and stability. To prevent injury and ensure good form and balance for the duration of the exercise, dips require core stabilization. By regularly performing dips, you may develop the muscles in your core, including those in your abdominal region and lower back, which in turn improves your overall stability, posture, and balance. Number 6, improved upper body functionality. The total functionality of the upper body can be improved with the use of dips because they engage several muscle groups in the upper body. This increased strength and functionality can transfer into better performance in other workouts, as well as make day-to-day activities that entail pushing or lifting objects easier to do. Number 7, increased bone density. Exercises that include weight-bearing, such as dips, serve to stimulate bone formation and contribute to an increase in bone density. By completing dips on a regular basis, you can strengthen the bones in your upper body and lower your risk of developing illnesses like osteoporosis. Number 8, enhanced flexibility and range of motion. The shoulder and elbow joints need to have a good range of motion in order to do dips effectively. Regular practice of dips can enhance flexibility and mobility in these areas, hence allowing for a broader range of motion. These benefits can be achieved by strengthening the core. An increase in flexibility can both lessen the likelihood of suffering joint problems and boost sports performance. Number 9, mental well-being and stress reduction. Endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, are released as you exercise, including when you dip. The practice of doing dips as part of a daily routine has been shown to be beneficial for reducing stress, enhancing mental clarity, and fostering overall mental well-being. Observing changes in one's physical strength and appearance can help one feel a feeling of success and boost their confidence, all of which can lead to an increase in one's overall sense of self-worth. Keep in mind that you should start slowly, that you should listen to your body, and that you should choose workouts that you enjoy and that you can maintain for the long run. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.